Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to create product records in QuickBooks Online. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. We will try to personally reply to your comments. Let's get into the video to talk about how to create product records in QuickBooks Online. If you sell one-of-a-kind products and can sell all of them at a glance, tracking your inventory isn't such a big issue, but not many people run businesses like that. Even if you do, you would want to keep track of what you have and what you have sold for accounting purposes. Most businesses sell multiple types of products and stocks numerous units of item. These companies need to be able to easily add them to invoices and sales receipts. They need to know what's selling and what's not. And they need to know when it's time to reorder. QuickBooks Online recording and tracking tool meet all of these requirements by allowing you to create records for services. Here's how it works. Getting ready. Before you can start working with QuickBooks Online's product records, you should make sure that the site is set up for this purpose. Click the gear icon in the upper right, then your company, accounting and settings. Click the sales tab to get to the products and services section. QuickBooks Online's accounting and setting has a section devoted to products and services. Click on products and services to open your options here. To turn any entry from on to off or vice versa, click in the box at the beginning of the line to check or uncheck it. To see an explanation of each, click on the small circle question mark. When you are done here, click Save. Then click the X in the upper right to close this window. Creating records. To start entering products and service data in records, click the gear icon in the upper right, then select Products and Services. Since you haven't entered anything yet, the table will be blank. Eventually, it will contain data for each records you have created. You will also notice two colored circles at the top of the screen, one marked low stock and the other out of stock. When there is a number next to either of them, you will be able to click on either circle to see a list of what's low or what's out. Click New in the upper right. A vertical panel will slide out asking what kind of record you want to create. You can choose from inventory, physical items you sell, whose quantity you want to track, non-inventory, products you buy or sell, but whose quantities you do not need to track, services you sell, like legal representation or landscaping, bundle, a group of products and or services that are sold together, like computer training and accompanying software. We are going to create an inventory item. So click on inventory, type its name in that field, and add a photo if you would like. If the product has been assigned a SKU, enter that in its field. You may want to divide your products into primary category and sub-products or services, like writing instruments and pens, pencils, markers, etc. You can skip this option if you want. In the next section, you will enter the initial quantity on hand. How many do you have as of current date? And where do you want to set your recorder point? What number of items remaining should trigger the low stock alert so you can replenish your supply? Inventory asset account should already be set at inventory asset. Enter a brief description and then the product's sales price, rate, the price you will change customers, and leave income account set as sales of product income. Then select a sales tax category if you haven't set up sales tax in QuickBooks Online and believe you are required to pay them on at least some sales. Please let us know. In the purchasing information field, enter the description that should appear on purchase forms, then cost, the price you paid to buy the product, if any. The expense account should be cost of goods sold. Select a preferred vendor if you would like and save the record. Note, not all fields are required in your product and service records, but we strongly recommend you complete each record as fully as is possible. Thanks for watching this video today. If you need help setting up your QuickBooks Online or desktop software, please feel free to contact me at the email in the description at the bottom of the video. I also offer QuickBooks training to small, mid-sized, and large business owners.